Karai penksan jong ke Meghalaya High Court akasau tarik unai lor arajar pesan baka kong Ampareen lingdo ke MLA ke East Shillong constituency ke balong ke Menteri Sarkar bakam shim ladon ketiga jersey tak Sia-Lieh ya ki score sheet jong ki bayale exam tepkam nohi kai government lower primary school house Snem arajar pra kala pelong ya ka Dr. Ampareen batong kani kade ka press conference ka badon kam habakren chikilat pathai khubor ka porjan miet yeng sa jongka halaim kra ka Dr. Ampareen kalong baki Jingkynnoh tak Sia-Lieh kilakot adien khatnyo Snem jongga Ïaishah ka jongka kani ka mukaddama kalami hakapor baka Dr. Ampareen ka bat ya ka kam menteri badai kimi ka tanat puli puthi hakate ka por bat kalayat ringkat ka jingto ket dak crime bureau investigation CBI dak bapin paw bakam don benta bat kam shim na penon kam bakla ka Dr. Ampareen kalaong bakhat nyo Snem ka dana pedeng ka jingpang mensiem ringkat ka jingsosi hendrai ka ni ka Sngi ka de ka bakamen baka yeng ka shari ka larai bakam don benta hakani ka Jingkynnoh.
This is an important press conference for me personally. Lot of water under the bridge. I have suffered so much for 17 long years. I never retaliated. I never rebutted. I distanced myself from the courts only for the hundreds of hearings that I have had to attend, humiliating myself and feeling so disturbed. Today I remember my late mother. Mom must be happy. I told Mom I didn't do it. But she was constantly pressured. She's no longer here to enjoy this beautiful day. I remember my late brother Ba'arji, who despite everything always told me that if you have not done it, you will continue in your service to the people. I'm grateful to my family, Jade, Rizal, particularly, who have been there for the last 17 years, believing in me and knowing that never at any point did I misuse my office to favor or otherwise anyone in my discharge of duty as minister. Grateful to my husband, Fanton Joseph. Fanton, today we are freed from this huge pain that we silently discussed in the privacy of our bedroom. I have always told you, Fanton, that I didn't do no harm. And today, I am validated. Thank you, Kyrwoh, who sometimes went with me to court, sat with me in those horrible experiences, but always there. Thank you. I'm thankful to my sisters, my family, without naming each and every one of you. Thank you, Jasmine, Sharon, particularly, who have been with me through thick and thin, facing the same humiliation that I faced. Today's verdict validates our stand. The name of Peter Garnet Marbanyang is not in any way compromised. We are a family that upholds justice and that will serve the people of the state to the best of our capacities. I'm very grateful to my supporters. How much they had to take, the pain they had to take through every election. Whenever anybody called me Sia-Lieh, white ink, I used to tell them, it's okay. Supporters, wherever you are, whether you're here or anywhere, thank you for believing in me and thank you for voting for me back to this office till the day I get this judgment. I'm very grateful to all those that have accused me so wrongly. I will pray that God will grant me the grace to forgive each and every one of you. You brought a lot of pain to my life. How you, without any clue, continue to put white ink on my name. That is why I am grateful to the judiciary system in the country. This country, this nation, who will always fight for justice, and this is the justice I get today. Thankful to Sanchita. Time and again she would travel across from all parts of India to be here on time for my hearings. Thank you, Sir Salman Khurshid. You handheld me, you believed in me, and you fought for me in the court. And you, today, sir, are a part of this historical moment of 17 years of pain. The pain I felt every time I opened my Facebook page, the social media, any news item on me, how people time and again put white ink on my name. Today, I wonder what's going on in their minds. And I'm thankful to God, thankful to my church, the Catholic Church, the priests who continuously prayed for my peace of mind. Peace of mind is something which is the most difficult moments that I faced in all of these years. I'm so sorry that this case took shape the way it did. So sorry for all the time that is wasted of all people who have become victims of this so-called white ink case. You heard today in the court, I was not there, but I've been briefed that there was no white ink at the very first instant in any of all of those things. Kashuday bet tang kajing sungu yung play try kanrat o ayanga kani kabanta. Bangan yo, bangan lech kakot, bangan pagkot ya kasia ing bakiba katu katni kita sita halor kakerteng jonga. Katno pila penmong yanga, katno pila pensusi yanga, katno pila keren ben yanga. Ringan duai menta yo play bun ayanga kabor bangan map ya piboro. They ban map, they ban bu note, they ban bu kong. Bat ngan duai bu play u ay nga kata kajing yo I cengay bangan la bangan map I gitu gibala le ben nga gibala kred ben nga bat gibala pen pedang ya kadonot ko jonga asungu kham tam lele ya ki ying kasem ko jonga ilok jonga I ba fantin ki khon jonga I jid I grizel bat I kaira ki para ki men ki jonga I bar jim don shu ang ne ban yo sngo ya kanika verdict Ikong queen imay jonga im don show aga ni kapertai kiyap ta kata ka jing susi badon kum kata ka Jingkynnoh nrei Mynta ka Sngi kit kemen ha beneng bak yo I mat ngala persyang kum ka khon jong I bak pito pangan ai ka jing shakri ka ba ho ka jing shakri ka ba bet ka jing shakri ka ba klem pai liang bat ka jing shakri ka ba klem le shilia kadai ka Sngi ka ba kemen yang ngampat download I details jong case namar mene bro Sngi ngalek tour sa jirang nilek man play ya kaway ka factory sa po jirang claim don network ngam da tip bahay ki details nrei kumbala keren ijit ipadai u advocate u bala pas da ka kedan ka babyang ba in pensutho yang ba may kalakot ka case bat la drop iki charges persya yang ban nga aya pi kaway kakulang kinong kersan jonga bapi kajing Ïaishah jukfi kajing kersan ka jukfi ka klem long leno bat Mynta ka Sngi kani ka judgment ka blau lot yang na kani ka case kalawan bat ngalong ka brew ka basngu shibon bat ka banyay pendem hagijig duai hakajing shakri jonga that I will pray for guidance. I will pray that God gives me the strength to forgive those that have harmed us. I cannot speak more than that. we are watching the next move of anyone very closely. And I can only say at this point of time, let us bask in the truth that this nation gives citizens a chance to talk about. I think it would be in the fitness of things that we only account for ourselves. We are not answerable for anyone else, and that court judgment is specifically for me in the content of us reading the judgment with respect to my case.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F Mynta ka Sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya